This is the Fairywill electric toothbrush made by a Chinese firm. I've been testing this for a few weeks now and I'm here to give you my opinions. So Fairywill, they are a Chinese company. Now, not to discredit the Chinese, but there are sometimes concerns over the quality that you get for the price that you pay. But actually, the Fairywill has proven to be quite popular and I'm pretty impressed with what you get for the money here. There is a full written review that goes into a lot more detail. Click the link in the description for that. But what are my thoughts on this brush? Well, I do have some potential concerns being a Chinese company. That's not to discredit them at all, but Oral-B and Sonicare have done lots of clinical studies and you kind of know where you're coming from with them. They're recommended by dental professionals. This is a bit of an unknown brand, but you can't really complain given the price. Let's start with that. This actually, although it kind of has a suggested retail price of maybe around $60, we're able to actually pick it up for $20, which when priced over 3 years, including the cost of replacement brush heads, works out at 3 cents per day, which is just ridiculous. It's so cheap in comparison to all of them out there. And that's particularly impressive considering what you actually get. First of all, the handle is very slim and very lightweight, and actually that goes against it. Whilst it's nice to have something light, it feels very cheap, if I'm honest. You've got this like faux plastic, well, it's not silver, it's silver plastic, and it just feels a bit cheap and not the greatest quality, but it is water resistant. On the base of the brush you've got the recess for the charging pin for actually charging this, and there is a gap around the base of the panel here which I worry water may get into, but there should be a seal inside to protect it. You've got these nice clear buttons, a power button, a cleaning mode button, and then you've got the cleaning modes with LEDs and also a charge indicator as well. And on the back you've got a bit of rubber grip on here to actually help hold the brush. Like I say, it's really lightweight, and you've got these interchangeable brush heads. You actually get 3 included in the box, as well as an interdental brush head. So it's incredibly impressive in terms of what you get. You can see you've got a clean mode, a soft mode, and a massage mode. So you can choose which one you want by pressing the relevant button here. You can change that mode before you actually power the brush on. Built into the brush when you actually power it on is a timer as well. And that timer helps you clean for the right amount of time, and when 2 minutes, the recommended cleaning time, has passed, the brush will automatically power off, conserving battery life and letting you know that the clean is over. It delivers up to 35,000 strokes per minute with the clean, and I actually found it to be fairly good. It wasn't quite as invigorating as the Oral-B brush that I usually use, but overall it was pretty good. I can't really say the clean was bad. There aren't the clinical studies that I've seen to back it up, but overall very impressive considering what you get. What's also nice is that you can charge this via USB, so it's your kind of typical stand where you actually sit the brush on and there's a prong that goes into the base, but the charging stand has a USB cable on it, so you can connect it to a USB port on your computer. You could use it with a mains power adapter to connect it to mains power if you prefer. So for $20 you can't really go too far wrong with this brush. You could pay $40 to $50 to get a premium brand with probably less features and battery life that you'd actually get from this. That's another thing, the battery life is about 30 days, which is incredibly impressive as well. So you'd have to pay a lot more to, in some respects, get a lot less, but you would get the peace of mind that comes with having one of the bigger known brands. But for $20, this is an excellent electric toothbrush. There's the full written review that accompanies this video. Click the link in the description. But until next time, thanks for watching.